Hello everyone, this is the first episode of my German teaching videos. So, today I am going to explain you what is the meaning of different German language levels. So, basically, what is the meaning of A1, A2, B1, and B2, and C1 and C2. But before we proceed, there is a disclaimer for you. Please read that. So basically it depends on how well you can use the language. If you use elementary level of language, then it is called A1 and A2. If you use independently, and then it is called B1 and B2. And if you use the language autonomously, then it is C1 and C2. Done? Don't worry, I will explain it. So, in every level, you can understand and use familiar day-to-day expressions. You can introduce yourself and others, as well as you can ask others about themselves. For example, where they live, who they know, and what they own, and such kind of things. Also, you can communicate in simple manner if the person you are communicating speaks slowly and clearly and is willing to help. Then you can answer. In A2 level, you can understand and use the expressions associated with topics directly related to your direct circumstances. For example, your personal information and information about family, shopping, work, immediate surroundings. In A2 level, you can make yourself understand in simple routine situations, dealing with simple and direct exchange of information on familiar and common topics. Also, you can explain your background and education, immediate surroundings, and other things associated with immediate need in simple way. In B1 level, you can understand main points when clear and standard language is used, and the focus is on familiar topic associated with work, school, and leisure time, etc. You can deal with most situations typically encountered when you are traveling to Germany. Also, in B1 level, you can express yourself simply and coherently regarding familiar topics and areas of your personal interest. You can also report on experiences and events, describe your dreams, hopes, and goals. Now comes C1 level. In C1 level, obviously, it is the more advanced level in which you can understand the wide range of challenging longer text and also grasp the implicit meanings. In C1 level, you can express yourself spontaneously and fluently without having to search for words frequently and noticeably. You can use the language effectively and flexibly in your social and professional life, in training, and in studies. You can make clear, structured, and detailed statements on complex topics and apply various means of text association appropriately in the process. C2 level is just like natives. You can effortlessly understand practically everything which you read or hear. You can summarize information from various written and spoken sources, logically recounting the reasons and explanations. You can express yourself spontaneously with high frequency. Um, high frequency? No, not high frequency. You can express yourself spontaneously with high fluency and precision, and also make finer nuances of meaning clear in more complex topics. So that's simple ABC. Hey, for more details, you can refer to Goethe Institute website. Here is a joke for you. If you can understand it, then that means your language level is A2. Bye bye.